What's up, YouTube? And today I'm gonna be showing you my new slime. Okay, here it goes. It's gonna be purplish. Oh, there it is. So this is my new slime. Sorry if I just zoom it because like there's no space. Okay, there. So I'm gonna be opening this cool, awesome slime, and it's purplish. It's given by Toxicated. Thank you so much for giving this. So let's open it. Oh, you hear that? You hear that? That is not. That is so cool. The stretches are good because you know what Richie adds? She said that she adds. She added like a slime, a fake slime, and a fake slime and a glue and I think contact solution. Yeah, I guess so because she just made the slime just for me. Thank you so much. Okay. I hear that. I love the poking. The stretches are like, dang it, and the bubbles. It's okay. But the problem is the stretches. Like, why did they even stretch? So Kaya said that I'm going to add some lotion. So I got this lotion. I'm saying like, the lotion won't come up. There you go. It's currently pink. This is so weird. I wanted to stretch it. Oh, Jay. This is the most real slime. I want to take off the slime. Take off all the lotions. Okay, so, okay. Alright. Okay, here. So, memorable. Wait, did I put the lighting? No, I didn't. So I'm gonna put some pro version and let's get to it. OMG guys, you can really, you see that the stretches, you can see the stretch, it's so cool. I was like so shocked because I add this glitter glue and this Johnson's baby lotion. I'm so proud. It's really, really, really stretchy. Look at this guys. And it's so soft because of the Johnson's baby powder. And look, it's so stretchy now. I'm so happy. I never see a stretchy slime before. Like a half, probably stretchy slime. It's sticky, but it stretches so good. Let's not zoom in. Let's not zoom in, guys. Let's see what happens here. Okay, look at this. Kaya, if you can see this, I fixed your slime. This is like Kaya's slime before. Intoxicated slimes before, and she just gave it to me. Look at this. Kaya, I fixed it. And so stretchy. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest slime. Oh, great. See about that. It's kind of like sticky for you to see, but actually it's not really. I mean, like if you touch it like too much. And look, if you just slowly poke at it, that even make it worse. It's like the stretchiest slime. I add a lot of lotion. I can't believe it. It totally works. I just added this lotion already for the poking slime. I'm poking. I'm gonna show you clean out those slimes. Messes. Actually, this one is a fake slime. I take out the fake slime and then, a fake slime was put it in this bottle. I put like too much water for that slime, so I just threw it. And this cup is the container of the slime. And I just like have an idea to, do this to put any contact solution. First I put Ariel, then the Ariel is like, there's no Ariels anymore because I put them all from the slime. And then I can't do them. And next is I put some Dash, but it didn't even work because it comes with conditioner. And now I put lotion, and guess what? It totally works, like today. I love this. I fixed everything. I know how to fix a pencil. Like, no. I don't know how to fix a pencil. Oh yeah, sure, it's easy. If your pencil's like sharp enough and then like it cracked, just use sharpener. So easy. Okay, so I'm in love in this slime already. I wanted to marry the slime. Yeah, I want to marry the slime, bro. I'm not gonna marry the slime for fixing it up. There it is. It's focusing now. So stretchy. So guys, make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Toxicated, Nina Percon, and also Sin Hureta. I don't know what is it. Sin Hureta. I don't know. Sin Huretas. I think it's Nina's classmate. I guess. I don't know what his name. But, oh yeah. Okay, so, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.